A woman is facing trial accused of fox hunting in Scotland. Claire Bellamy denies using dogs to hunt the wild animals in January last year. She is being prosecuted at Paisley Sheriff Court and a trial has been set for later this year. Prosecutors claim she committed the alleged offence at Kirkton Wood, at Corsley Hill Road in the Renfrewshire village of Houston. Court papers allege the 50-year-old used dogs to hunt the foxes on January 4th, 2025. She faces a single charge under Section 1 of the Hunting with Dogs, Scotland Act 2023. The charge states that she did deliberately hunt a wild mammal, namely fox, using dogs. Bellamy, of the village of Longformacus in Berwickshire, in the Scottish borders, pleaded not guilty when the case against her called in court this week. A trial was set for later this year.